Hello dear students, welcome back at your own channel Miscellaneous, where we are here to discuss the academic part of mathematics. Before coming on to the mathematics, I would like to grab your attention towards a thought which I had. And a thought was a positive mind towards everything will give you a happier life. Is it really a good thought? Yes, of course. The thing is what? If your mind is positive towards each and everything, then definitely it will give you somewhat kind of happiness, somewhat kind of relaxation, somewhat kind of the courage, the confidence that yes, you can overcome from this situation. If we are talking about the present situation, COVID-19, it's okay. So many things are happening. The economy has gone down. We are not able to meet our friends. We are not able to attend any function. We are not able to attend our school. Everybody is what locked down in the houses. That's fine. We can spend somewhat valuable time along with our family members. This is what the positivity. We are not attending the school, but we can devote somewhat more time in academics. This is what the positivity, right? So with this positivity, I think we should go ahead in our life. So here we will go with the miscellaneous exercise. But before starting miscellaneous exercise, just have a quick look of recap. In this, if you want to solve the miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 5, that is what the complex number, we should totally aware of the contents of the complex number. In content of the complex number or in complex number, what we have done? We have learned that what is the general form of complex number. So as we know that the complex number general form is what? A plus IB. Right? Where A is known as real part. Okay, and this is known as imaginary part. Okay, then we know that the forms of I. What are the forms of I? That is I is equal to under root of minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. Then we have gone through this also. What is I3? I3 can be written as I into I square. Okay, that is I into I square. I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into I will become minus I. Is that okay? And then I raised to 4. Now what is I raised to 4? It is I raised to 4 can be written as I raised to 2, I raised to 2. So minus 1 into minus 1, it will give you a plus 1. So these four things we have to keep it in mind. That is, if it is only I, then it is root minus 1. If it is I square, then it is minus 1. If it is I cube, then it is minus I. And if it is I raised to 4, that time it is 1. If you keep it in mind, these four things, the value of this 4, easily we will be able to solve this whole kind of sums. Is that okay? Now, after that, what else we can do? Or the same thing we can do by using the multiple of 4. Okay? Means directly I raised to 4. Then I raised to 4 plus 1 will give you this. I raised to 4 plus 2 will give you this. I raised to 4 plus 3 will give you minus I. And then I raised to 4 plus 4 means what again? 1. Okay. So with the help of I, we'll be doing this. Then we have done the modulus also. As you know that modulus is what? No negative value, only the positive value will come. Okay. Then we have seen the complex conjugate. What is the complex conjugate? It is if A plus IB, so the complex conjugate will become A minus IB. Or if it is A minus IB, then the complex conjugate will become A plus IB. Then since due to COVID-19 that polar part is not there, so that part we are not going to see. Question number 5 is what of polar related sum only, because we have to convert it into polar form, but that sum we are not going to do here. After that, we have solved some quadratic equation also, right? So how to solve the quadratic equation? By using say quadratic formula, but here we can find out the square root of minus numbers also. Okay, so this is what the quick recap of the chapter number 5, that is complex number. Let's go ahead with the sum. That is what question number 1 of miscellaneous exercise chapter number 5. What is the sum? The sum is evaluate. Okay, and it is I raised to 18 plus 1 upon I raised to 25, and then this is what raised to 3. Now directly we will not be doing it. What we will do, we'll first find out the value for 1 by I. How can we do? By modulus of the function also we can try. So right now what we will do, now 1 upon I is equal to 1 upon I, no doubt. We'll multiply it by 1, but 1 in the form of I by I. Okay, that is I upon I. So what will happen? This will become I upon I square, right? And we know the value of I square is what? Minus 1. So what we are getting? We are getting the form minus I. So instead of 1 by I, what we will be doing? We will be using minus I. So the sum becomes, that is I raised to 18 plus minus I raised to 25 raised to 3. Now what we want here, we want that I should be, the power of I should be in the form of even number only, and here we have the 25. So what we do is convert it first, that is I raised to 18, this is fine for us. But here what we will do, we will take one minus I common. Okay, so in this way here we will get I raised to 24. Okay, I raised to 24 and then raised to 3. Now what we will do, we will convert this power in the form of 2. So it will become I raised to 2 raised to 9, then again minus I as it is, I raised to 2 raised to 12 raised to 3. We know that since I square is equal to minus 1. So I square is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 9 will give you minus 1. Then I as it is. And here minus 1 raised to 12 is positive 1. So 1 into minus I is what? Minus I raised to 3. Now what we do? We will use here a minus b cube. That is equal to what? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b and then plus 3ab square. And what is your a here? Minus 1. What is your b here? I. Okay, so using that one, what we do? Minus 1 cube, then minus b cube means what? I cube, then minus 3 into a square, that is minus 1 square, and b, that is what? I, and then 3ab square, so 3 into minus 1 into I square. Okay, so what will we get? Minus 1 cube is what? Minus 1. Then I cube, as I told you, I cube is what? Minus I, so minus I into minus, that is what? Plus I. Okay, then minus I square is what? Plus 1, minus 3 into I, so this is what? Minus 3I. Okay, so minus 1, then I square is also what? Minus 1, so minus into minus plus, plus into 3, so that will give you 3. So right now numbers into numbers, so it will become 3 minus 1, 2, and then 3 minus 3i plus 1i will give you minus 2i. So what? This is the result. So what? This is the required result. Okay. So now for any two complex numbers, prove that the real part of z1 into z2 is equal to the real part of z1 into z2 minus the imaginary part of z1 into z2. Very easily we can do. Let sum number 2. Let z1, the complex number 1, that is a plus ib, and z2 is equal to any other complex number, that is c plus id. What we have to do, whatever is told to us, that only we have to do. Means what? Just multiply z1 into z2. Therefore z1 into z2, what it will be? First we multiply, that is a plus ib into c plus id. After that what? As usual the normal multiplication what we are doing. So A into C plus ID into C plus ID. And now just the normal multiplication we will do. So what it will be? AC plus, suppose if you write I first, that is IAD plus IBC plus, okay, I into I square, then D and D. Right or no? Now as we know that if we will convert this I square, what it is? I square is equal to minus 1. So this will become minus BD and plus IAD plus IBC. But what are these two numbers? These are what the imaginary part. Right or no? These are what the imaginary part. And the sum was told to us to multiply just the real part. So what we will do? Real part of Z1 into Z2. That means A into C. Okay, what are this? This is nothing but the AC minus B, right? And what we are getting? We are getting RE into Z1 into Z2 is equal to what? RE Z1 into Z2 minus imaginary part of Z1 into imaginary part of Z2. Here also it is RE, okay? So this is what the required result. Now, sum number 3 where it is told to reduce the given number. So let me write down the given number. What is that? It is 1 minus 4i. 1 minus 4i minus 2 upon 1 plus I. Then again into 3 minus 4i divided by 5 plus I. Okay. Now we will try to bring it in the normal form, that is A plus IB. Okay. So how will we just consider as normal how we were doing the sum. So by cross multiplication 1 into this number will become 1 plus I, then minus 2 into this number. So 2 into 1 is what? 2. Then minus 2 into minus 4. If you will multiply in this way, what it will be? Supposing we are keeping a bracket. So 2, then 8i. Okay, so if you will remove the bracket, this will become plus I. Hopefully you have understood. It is minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 2 into minus 4 is what? Plus 8 and then I. And below what will happen? The multiplication. So it is what? 1 into this one, 1 into 1, 1, then 1 into I, then minus 4 into 1 is minus 4I, and then minus 4 into I, that is I square. Okay, right now so we are not going beyond this. Here we will keep as it is, that is 5 plus I. Let's see what will. So now if we will go ahead with this 8i plus 1i, that is 9i minus 1, and then this I square is what? Minus 4. Okay, so here we can do that this number will become plus 4. How come? Because I square is what? Minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 4 is what? Plus 4. So plus 4 and plus 1, that will become what? Plus 5. Anyhow we can write. And then 4i minus 1i, so it will give you minus 3i. And now again multiplication with another number. So we have with us 3 minus 4i and 5 plus I. Okay, so direct multiplication only because simple thing is there, right? So what we do? 9i minus 1 into 3 minus 4i, and then 5 minus 3i, 5 plus I. Okay, so 9i into 3, that is 27i. 9i into 4, that is 9 4s are 36, I into I square. Then minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Then minus 4 minus 1 into minus 4 is what? Plus 4i. Okay, and then 5 5s are, it is 25, then 5 plus I, 5 into plus I will give you 5i, 5 into minus 3i will give you minus 15i, and then I into minus 3i will give you minus 3i square. And again what we can do is I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, so what we can do, 27i as it is, minus 36 I square, but I square is equal to what? Minus 1. So minus 1 into 36 will give you plus 36, and then minus 3 plus 4i. Same thing here, 25, then 5i, then minus 59, and then what it is? Plus 3, because I square is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 into minus is what? Plus. So now 27i and 4i, this will give you 31i, or first we'll write the number part, that is real part. 36 minus 3 is what? 33, then plus 31i, then 25 plus 3 is what? 28, and then the last one is what? 5i and minus 15, so it will give you minus 10i. Okay, but here we are getting two complex numbers, so we don't want to, we just want to reduce it in the one. So we will multiply this number by its complex conjugate, so that is what? Into 28 plus 10i upon again 28 plus 10i. So because of this, what will happen? This 33 into 28, we have to do this all. 33 plus 31i into 28 plus 10i divided by the square of 28, that is 484 784, minus 10 into 10 100, then it is what? Minus, okay, minus 10 square it will be, so it is minus 100i square, so minus into minus will become plus. Okay, now 33 into 28, it will be 924. Okay, if you will multiply 33 into 28 is that much we have done, and then plus it is 330, because 33 into 10i, it will give you this much, and then 31 into 28 is what? 868, multiply is I, and then 31i into 10i, that is 3110i square, and below how much it will be? 884. Now if you will add the real part, first of all here you will see what it will be. 924 plus 330 and 868. Okay, so 800, 900, 1000, 1100, and then 1198. 1198i, and then it is minus 310 upon 884. Okay, then from 924 we will subtract 310, so 900 minus 300 is what? 600. So 600, then 24 minus 10, so 614 plus 1198i divided by 884. If you will take, since both are what? Even, so we will take 2 common, so what is remaining? 2 3s are, 0s are, 7s are, because 2 3s are 6 and then 14, like that it is. Then 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, and 2 9s are 18i, and then 884. So it is 442, like this it will be. So final answer is what? 307 plus 44 upon 442 plus 599 upon 442 into I. So this is nothing but your A plus IIT, that is A is equal to 307442 and B is equal to 599442. Okay, so this is nothing but in the form of A plus IIT. Now question number 4, what is given? If x minus iy is equal to under root of a minus ib upon c minus id, then we have to prove that. Okay, then prove that x square plus y square x square is equal to a square plus b square divided by c square plus d square. How we are going to solve it? By considering this as equation number 1. So what is given? X minus iy is equal to a minus ib upon c minus id. This is what equation number 1. Now what we'll do? We'll replace I by minus I. Where? In equation 1. In equation 1. What will happen? Then this minus I. Okay, or this I is replaced by minus I. So it is x minus of minus I will become x plus iy. The same thing will here inside the bracket also. Okay, that is minus of minus I will give you plus I, and then c minus of minus I will give you plus I. That is what equation number 2. Now what we will do? We'll multiply equation 1 and 2. Okay, multiply equation 1 and 2. So what will happen here? It is x minus iy into x plus iy. Okay, is equal to, that is a minus ib and c minus id in one bracket. In another bracket it will be what? Under root of, that is a plus ib and c plus id. Okay, then by using the identity a plus b, a minus b, that is a minus b into a plus b is what? A square minus b square. So here it is what? X square minus iy square. Okay, same thing here. Since a minus b and a plus b, so here it is a square minus ib square. Okay, same case down also, c square minus id square. So it is what? X square, then here minus I square, or this minus separate, then here it is what? I square. But I square is equal to what? Since I square is equal to minus 1, so here minus 1, so it will become minus y. So minus y into plus y will give you, here I square is what? Minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 1 will give you plus, and then it will be y square. So x square plus y square is equal to under root of a square, and same case here I square, so this minus will become plus and b square. Similarly in denominator also same case. Okay, so what we will do? Now what we do? Squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. What will happen? The bracket square, x plus y square, it's a square, and we will square this number, so square root x square will get cancelled, and we will get a square plus b square, c square plus d square. So this is what our required result. After this, question number 5 is the sum of polar form, where we have to change the sum into polar form. But due to COVID-19, that polar form or the polar form syllabus is what? Reduced. So this year we are not going to do that. So here we will take a halt. We'll stop in miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 5 after doing the first 4 sum. A quick recap. Right now what we have done is question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the 4 questions were involving the form of I. Okay, where we have used I square is equal to minus 1, which is what? A very important thing. Then second, we have also used the general form of complex number, where the general form of complex number is equal to a plus ib. Okay, then after that we have used the multiplication property also. where they have multiplied the real part of complex number with the real part and imaginary part of complex number with the imaginary part. Okay, so here we'll take a break and very soon we'll meet in the next video where we will be dealing with the next few sums of miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 5, complex number. Till that time, be happy, be at home and be safe. Thank you.